Let's talk about a real way to use AI to make money online. This is my Facebook profile. I switched over to a professional account a while back, and you can see here the approximate earnings $13.48. Now, I know that's not what you want to see in a video like this. You want to see something more like this today, yesterday, this month, last month. You want to see big numbers, and you want to think about just doing nothing and making money with AI. But I want to go back to this and I want to talk about getting paid $13.48 for doing something that I was going to do anyway, post on Facebook. Look down here, weekly progress, 46% complete. I'm not even 50% complete of what they're telling me I should be doing to have a profile that is paying me money for doing something that I already do. Now, understand again, I'm not talking about what I do over here on this marketplace where I purposefully use AI and think about products that I want to promote, products that I create, promote, and sell, my own products, or products that I want to promote as an affiliate. And of course, being very intentional about what I did yesterday, what I did today, what I did last month, what I'm doing this month, following my affiliating 9-step roadmap using a traffic source like here on YouTube. But understand that if you were to pick a topic and understand the tools, the technology, and the time, and the technology being Facebook, your Facebook account, and this is my profile, me, just the stuff that I post about me, what I'm doing in my online business, and then other stuff that I'm doing in my day-to-day, regular, normal life. Nothing crazy, but still making money. If I was to focus on this right here and say, let me start creating consistent content, of course, like I do here on YouTube, over on Facebook, and of course, having AI help me with that or assist me, which I'm going to get to in a second, and then present offers and then add people to an email list. Think about going back and looking at my weekly progress and thinking that I'm only 46% complete. If I was to build it out to 100% complete and truly focus on Facebook as a traffic source, as a place where I let people know about a topic that I'm interested in, that they're going to be interested in as well. And I'm not talking about just randomly posting things that I find interesting. I'm talking about exactly what Joe Carbo talked about in 1974 in his The Lazy Man's Way to Riches. He talked about being the go-to person for a specific topic. This is what we call a niche today. It means that you are going to post information about how to solve a problem, something that you're interested in, something you learn more about every day, something you do, and something you're willing to share or teach other people. That was in 1974 that Joe Carbo wrote this book, The Lazy Man's Way to Riches. A more modern version, Russell Brunson, Expert Secrets, the creator of ClickFunnels, you probably heard of it. This is the exact same premise and thing that you read or that you would read in The Lazy Man's Way to Riches that Joe Carbo wrote in 1974. Understand the underground playbook for creating a mass movement of people who will pay you for your advice. They'll pay you for your advice, but you go back to Facebook and Facebook is going to pay you for building an audience, for finding your tribe, for finding your true fans that are interested in what it is you're doing and what you're talking about. They're going to pay you. And if you set it up correctly, you're going to make a lot more money. And you go back and I'm giving you the roadmap. This is my proven strategy. I've done this in multiple niches. You generate traffic by picking a topic. This could be anything. This could be pickleball. This could be making pickles. This could be knitting. This could be gardening. This could be collecting baseball cards, collecting coins, trading baseball cards, going and traveling, doing anything and everything that you could think of, showing people how to do something around the house, do something specific, woodworking, anything like that. Think outside the box. Think about something. Again, Think about the thing that you're the go-to person for, and you might already and probably already do post this stuff online because you're interested in it. Or if you don't post what you're doing, you follow other people as they're posting it. And guess what? Go back to this profile. They have a professional dashboard just like this, and they're probably making way more than $13.48 if you're following them on Facebook for that specific thing. Now, I have a few people that follow me on Facebook, but my focus down here, let me clean this off. My focus when I talk about generating traffic, because I believe, and that is a horrible one, I believe and I found more success once I pick a topic, understanding the tools, the technology, and the time. For me, the tools and the technology that I'm comfortable with to generate consistent content works better for me here on YouTube. But that doesn't discount the fact that I'm showing you that I don't even know how this monetization thing works on Facebook. I have my profile set up 46% complete. Go back and think about this. Facebook, when I switched over to this professional dashboard, it just popped up one day and it talked about monetization. And I was like, sure. I clicked yes, and I was reading about it and I said, okay. Then one day it popped up and it said they owed me money, and it said to put in my details so I could collect the money they owed me. I was like, well, this is fantastic. So, this is over the last 90 days, $13.98. And again, like I know you want to see yesterday, today, this month, last month. This is what you want. And I haven't even got to how to do this yet, but I want to just show you that you need to make sure that you have a strategy. Traffic to an offer and add people to an email list. And if you're still with me, now we're going to look at AI. Once we pick a topic, we're going to talk about some tools, some technology, and the time to create consistent content, a piece of software that I use to build a super simple lead magnet and to build my email list. I'm going to show you the ones I use. But we're going to start with Google Gemini. And this is the AI portion of the video. If you made it this far, you are in the 1% of people that are about to start making money online. I promise you, if you focus and you just follow through with this, eventually it's going to work out for you. All you need to do is come to Google Gemini and say this: I switched my Facebook profile to professional mode, and I need a calendar and ideas for posting on my profile about my pickleball club. I didn't even spell this right. I switched my Facebook profile to professional mode, and I need a calendar and ideas for posting on my profile about my pickleball club. It's great you're leveraging Facebook's professional mode to promote your pickleball club. Here's a calendar and some content ideas to help you create engaging posts. Pickleball posting club or pickleball club posting calendar. This calendar provides a framework. Feel free to adjust based on your club's specific events, local tournaments, or community happenings. Consistency is key, so aim for at least 3 to 5 posts per week. Weekly themes: Motivation Monday, Technique Tuesday, Wednesday Wisdom and Wins, Throwback Thursday, Fun Friday, Feature Friday, Skill Building, Saturday Social Saturday, Sunday Showcase, Sunday Spotlight, a simple calendar. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Vote in our poll. Share your goal in the comments. Practice this time or practice next time you're on the court. What's your go-to shot? Content ideas for your pickleball club. Here are some diverse ideas to keep your feed fresh and engaging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pro tips for professional mode. Pro tips for professional mode pickleball profile. Step back with me and understand what it is I'm talking about. Your AI is your assistant. Focus with me and understand that you just need to think about this and say, look, this is my hobby. Over here is pickleball. If I want to make money online and I want to do it on my Facebook profile or start a YouTube channel, understand and know that you're going to have to sacrifice some of your hobby time, and you're going to have to step back and say, okay, I'm going to have to take time to record, take notes, and think about content and create it about my pickleball. If you don't want to ruin your pickleball time, then don't make it your thing. do something else. I love talking about marketing. I love reading books about marketing. I love setting up and thinking about how I can sell things like simple PDFs, building an email list, the tactics, the techniques, and the strategy behind marketing. And that's what I talk about here on 30-Minute Marketing. And I can use AI to do this exact same thing to help me with what I do here. And I do. I use AI all the time to think about what I did yesterday to make money, what I did today to make money, this month and last month. I follow this proven strategy. I drive traffic to an offer and I add people to an email list. Super simple lead magnet. I use a software called Lead Creator. It tells me exactly which lead magnets are trending for me. This is helpful information that gives people advice on what it is they want to know. And then I add them to my email list. You can see the leads here. Oh, yeah. I also use System.io to sell some products. I just don't use it right now like I'm using the Warrior Plus Marketplace because it's easier to recruit affiliates. All that is stuff that you'll learn. Again, yes, you're going to have to sacrifice some of your hobby time. And I know I didn't spend a lot of time in the AI, but if you think that the AI is going to do it for you, you're missing the point. The point is your brain, the things that you're thinking about, the things that you share on social media become traffic. The people that are on social media, just like you right now watching this video, you are the traffic source. You see my offers. You will set up your own offers. Facebook will pay you, YouTube will pay you, every platform will pay you for creating content and posting it once you meet certain criteria. You just have to know and understand the rules or the technology that platform is built around, and then deep dive into AI and how it works for you and with you as an assistant. Any other video out there that's showing you a million prompts or telling you that this mega prompt is the way that you're going to make money is misleading you to the point of you thinking the AI is going to do it for you. This video was more about me being down to earth and just having a real heart-to-heart moment with you and showing you, and really honestly, if you've made it this far, now you know how to use AI to make money online. You pick a topic, you go all in on that topic as a traffic source by creating consistent content. You let people know how you can help them or more information, like that pickleball thing. If you're playing pickleball and you have a pickleball club and you want to show people, or you want them to join your pickleball club, or maybe you want to create a small course on the best way to make a certain type of pickleball shot because it's your go-to shot and it has won you the pickleball championship in your club, you can sell that to other people because they want to know. They want to know how they can raise that trophy in their pickleball club and be the champion just like you are. That's all there is to it. There's no secret. Expert secrets, the secret is you make yourself into the expert. You become the go-to person that Joe Carbo talked about in 1974 in The Lazy Man's Way to Riches. Now we have AI to just ask and say, give me a calendar. Give me tips. Clean this up. Hey, I have this very specific thing that I do. Let's turn it into a case study. Let's create a lead magnet. Let's add people to an email list. Then let's write some emails about this very specific problem and how I can help them solve the solution, or how I can help them solve the problem and find the solution. As an affiliate, you can find someone that already has the solution, or you can create your own product. This is the beauty of what AI can help you do to make money online right here, right now, today. The only thing left to do it is just to do it. Thanks for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.